Hello, in this video we're going to be discussing forward offset. Now your forward offset, you're going to be required to start in one lane, your 100-foot lane. You will have your middle line or your far left line that has a 40-foot mark. You cannot touch that 40-foot mark. 60-foot, you have an entry point that you will need to take your truck and trailer through. In the other lane, you will have at the top of the 100-foot line, you will have a 3-foot line. You must put your rear tandems of your trailer inside that at 3-foot mark in your cone. We will teach you in this step how to properly perform this maneuver. Now, forward offset is what I used to teach my students. Serpentine maneuver. I think it's one of the most common used maneuvers that you're going to have to perform in the real world. So, I like the applicability of this maneuver being introduced on your CDL exams. This one is an easy one. We're going to start out in our 100-foot box, past the cones. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull forward in a forward straight line.